All right. So the first thing that we're going to do is grid off our piece of paper. We've printed images in 8 inches by 10 inches format, and we want to create a grid line that's every ½ inch. So the first thing that you want to make sure that you do is get a T-square ruler like this. I like these over just the flat rulers because you can line this edge up against the other edge of your photographs so that you make sure that this is as straight as possible. So I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to make a mark every ½ inch. And the ½ inch line is right in between the numbered inches, and I'm just going to make a tick mark at every ½ inch. So I'll zoom in here so that you can see a little bit better. Before I start this, I really want to make sure, guys, just stop what you're doing and look up here. I don't want to start my ruler here. I want to start and put this T-square, these 90-degree angles, right where the edges of my photo line up with one another. So it's not at the edge of the page, it's a little bit in from that where the edge of your photograph meets the white. So I'm going to just start every ½ inch, putting a tick mark So we have 8 here for a total of 1, or here's a mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, for a total of 16 little dashes. I'm going to label these. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. until I get to 16. This photograph is vertical. Yours might be horizontal. Just go with me on the 8-inch side. If you did the 10-inch one, it's no big deal. You'll just have 20 boxes. So to make sure that I am doing this correctly, or that these lines are going to line up, I'm going to take the other 8-inch side, move that down here, line my ruler up at the same spot. So line up that T, or that 90-degree angle, where the color of my picture, the edge of my picture, meets the white. And I'm just going to make tick marks here too. I can number those too if I want to. Then from here, and I'll zoom out so we can see the whole thing. There we go. I'm going to want to connect, using my ruler, each line or each tick mark to one another, forming a straight line. And this is again where the T-square part of the ruler, this part of the ruler, comes in handy. I can kind of situate that on the edge of my page and make sure that my ruler runs through this tick mark and then this tick mark. And when I'm confident about it, I'm going to make a line. On my photograph, I want to make sure that I'm making dark, hard lines. It's going to be different on my piece of paper. You're going to want to, or my drawing piece of paper, you're going to want to eventually erase those and get rid of them. So you're going to want to draw really light. If you have your set of pencils, you could use like a 2B, 4B, or 6B to draw these lines. You'll want to use an H pencil to draw the others. If you've misplaced your kit or don't have pencils, just a normal pencil will work just fine. Press harder on these ones. Does anybody have any questions? Let me check. Yeah, it'll be 20. Yep, exactly.